Welcome to the JCPS MTSS training on the Teacher Clarity Toolkit with a focus on the high-yield practice concept mapping. I'm Sarah Adams, MTSS Engagement Resource Teacher with Elementary Zone 1.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Roberts, MTSS Engagement Resource Teacher, Elementary Zone 1.
Hi, I'm Melissa Loxton, MTSS Engagement Resource Teacher, Elementary Zone 3. Please take a moment to type the case-sensitive bit.ly into your web browser. This will allow you to access to all the links for future reference.
This concept map provides a visual of the departments within MTSS. One department is MTSS Academic. The MTSS Academic Department supports schools by ensuring teachers are providing all students with academic support that includes differentiation, personalization, and enrichment activities that are guided by the Universal Design for Learning principles, focusing on Tier 2 and Tier 3 interventions and support. Another department is MTSS Behavior. The MTSS Behavior Department supports schools in implementing school-wide behavior systems and frameworks. The two frameworks used by JCPS are Positive Behavior Interventions and Supports, PBIS, and the Behavior Support Systems Model, which is an alignment of PBIS and restorative practices. In addition, the team supports school personnel in understanding and utilizing classroom management strategies. Our department is MTSS Engagement. The goal of the MTSS Engagement Department is to increase student achievement by equipping teachers with high-yield pedagogical practices to maximize student engagement. 6 MTSS toolkits were created to provide resources for Tier 1 instructional practices to increase student engagement, reduce student behavior, and to decrease disproportionality. The point of contact for each department is located and linked in the concept map. Here are the 6 MTSS toolkits. By clicking the toolkit image, you will access the MTSS department webpage and each toolkit. Teacher Clarity focuses on where students are going in their learning, how they are progressing, and where they will go next. The toolkit success criteria utilizes concept mapping to explain information to students in a logical and coherent manner.
Concept mapping refers to the provision of a context for lesson content, where it fits into a larger picture. When teachers call students back to prior learning, discuss learning targets, and ask for real examples, they are helping to build a context that effectively creates a concept map. Today, we will create a concept map and reflect on the benefits of concept mapping. Let's watch a concept mapping video.
How to create a concept map. What is a concept map? A concept map is a visual way to organize thoughts and make connections between ideas. How can I use a concept map? You can use a concept map to brainstorm and organize ideas, create an outline for an assignment, or test your knowledge in review for exams. How do I make a concept map? By following these 7 steps. Step 1. Start by identifying the main topic and brainstorm everything you know about it. Use all relevant content from lectures, texts, and other course material. Step 2. Organize your information into main points. Step 3. Start creating your map. Begin with your main topic, then branch out to major points and supporting details. Step 4. Review your map and look for more connections. Use arrows, symbols, and colors to show relationships between ideas. Step 5. Include details. Definitions, equations, and diagrams are all useful. Step 6. Analyze and improve your map. Ask yourself, how do these ideas fit together? Have you made all necessary connections? Is the map accurate, logical, and detailed? Step 7. As you learn more, update your concept map to reflect your better understanding. Try talking out loud about your concept map. Ask yourself, can I describe the connections between these ideas? Following these 7 simple steps will allow you to create a concept map to help you study. For more information, get in touch.
Please take a minute to review the 7 steps from the video on concept mapping. A few key points to consider are: concept mapping works best if students have some surface knowledge. Concept maps are most effective when co-constructed with students and teacher. They are also a visual display that enhances reading comprehension. One way to utilize concept mapping is through learning intentions and success criteria. This communicates learning with the students and allows them to take ownership while making connections. This is an elementary example. Here's a secondary example on making the same connections. Another way to utilize concept mapping is through content. This shows students how their learning is connected. This example provides a visual for making connections with natural resources. These 2 examples of concept maps are most effective when created with students.
You can also utilize concept mapping with your PLC as a planning tool. Concept maps can be used for part of the planning within the PLC process, like in this example. You can also create a concept map for planning a lesson or unit. When creating a Jamboard, the steps are simple. First, click on the waffle, then scroll to the Jamboard icon as seen on this slide. Once you're in Jamboard, click the plus sign in the bottom right corner to create a new one. For example, Jamboard can be used to reflect what was learned, share out during morning meeting, or even as an exit slip. We're going to do a reflection using the whip around strategy. Take a moment to read the directions. Now we will model an example of using a Jamboard. First, go to your waffle, scroll down to the Jamboard icon and click it. You'll click the plus sign in the bottom right corner to create a new one. To begin, I will click the sticky note icon and type in whip around reflection. From here, you can move your sticky note, make it however big you would like it. As participants brainstorm their reflection, they will start with a new sticky note. You can change your color if you'd like. For example, I can write concept maps are best when created with students. I can maneuver it wherever I'd like for it, and for me to connect it to the concept map, I will click pin and draw a line to connect it to the middle. Now take a minute to pause this video and reflect on how concept mapping can benefit you in your instruction. Thanks for joining us and learning about concept mapping. Enjoy creating your own Jamboard with jot thoughts in the writing task. Please refer to the bit.ly as necessary for future reference.
For more information about the MTSS toolkits and other high yield practices, visit our website